amazing this orchid because earlier I did do the live streaming and it wasn't so open, just tiny bit. Sorry about that because that's a light reflection. Now look at her. It was the bigger one before like this and it's slowly open. 5-6 hours later it turned like this. Look. Wow. And this orchid don't have any nice scent, but the scent is like a normal thing but unscent. Look at that. The apple green is slowly fading away. It will be left tiny bit like this one here. I could put the light in there. Okay, look. Yeah. Very white. And then tiny bit pink and purple slightly. And peach nose or mouth. All over is white. Oh, she's so stunning. Nice, healthy leaves. I love it. And very long stalks. She is so gorgeous. Finally, I get to buy myself the whitish apple green color nose or mouth or lips. Got a peachy color. Look at that. Just open, and this part apple green, it's still there, but soon it will like slowly fading like this, as you can see, but you can still see the little bit of stripy here. Wow, what's up guys? This is the number 4 one. If it's allowed to grow nicely, for sure it will be open like them. So 1, 2, number 3 and number 4. Soon it'll be like this, but it will grow a bit more. And so is this. So probably a few weeks, I'll see. Wow. This one here is slowly bigger too. So you feed them when they are like this, they're very hungry. It's time for them to feed them. Probably once a week, you know. You feed them once a week. But if they just grow like stalk like this, I always feed them every second week. But if they're like this, I'll give the potash to the roots here so they grow nicely. If it's daytime and it's really good weather, you can wet them a bit as long as they're really thirsty. If they're not so thirsty, forget about wetting them all. Like raining now, you'll get rotten leaves and roots.